See what I'm having in my hand. Look at this flower, leaf of life. If you know what this leaf can bring to you, if you know the kind of good luck, favor, attraction this leaf, even open doors, you will go and look for this leaf and plant it in your compound. In case if you don't have it, go now and get it. Now, before I continue, if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Priska, okay? If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe because this video is going to change your life. Go and get this leaf. If you can't get it, many people has it. Go to the market, you can buy it. People that are selling spiritual stuff, materials, they also sell it. Get it. You are going to need this leaf. Three leaves, three, like this, 1, 2, 3. 3 each night, 3 each night, 3 each night, making it 9 leaves. Please, if you are using this leaf, do not use the one that have tear. Don't use the one that have broken. Don't use the one that something have already cut. Look at this one, it's as fresh as. There's no cut, no tear, no nothing. It's the kind of leaf you use. Now, when you get this leaf, see, try to do this ritual before this year ends. This is the period you will prepare your next year, 2025. If you want to be among the list of those that will be cashing out, you want to be among the list of those that be having favor, unmerited favor, financial stability, contracts, upliftment, promotion, hey, name it. This is the time you need to start preparing. Christmas is a period of celebration and all that, but do not be carried away. My dear, you that is watching me, do not be carried away. This is the period you will prepare your 2025. You can't just you'll be loosed, carried away, jumping, dancing, drinking, eating. My dear, this Christmas, is there anything new that you have not seen before in your life that you will see? Even though you are going for an occasion, do not be carried away. Go and come back and concentrate. Now, how will you use this leaf? Pluck 3 leaves. Get arches, overnight arches. Overnight arches is, will remove every bad luck, will remove every stagnation, every spiritual cobwebs. That is the work of overnight arches. Anything that is not of God, any black veil, any hatred, anything that will cause you shame, that is the work of overnight arches. Now, take small sand. Remember, you are using this leaf, overnight arches, sand. If you have alligator pepper, add 7 pieces. Because alligator pepper is an authority, that will conclude whatever you are speaking. Alligator pepper is a spirit. Whatever you send it to do, it will bring you result ASAP. No delay and no excuses. Now, when you take this leaf, how you will prepare it is, take this leaf, 3 of them, get a small water in a small transparent bowl, enough one that will do you to pour on your body. Squeeze this leaf for me. When you are done squeeze it as if you are squeezing olubu. People that cook olubu soup, do you know the way they squeeze it? Squeeze it and squeeze it and squeeze it so that the water will be greenish. Then sieve out the whole chaff. Keep it aside. Remove the whole chaff because you're going to need the water, not the chaff. Then the water of this leaf of life, put in your sand, put in your arches, put in your alligator pepper, put in your honey for sweetener, because next day is going to be sweet for us, whether the enemy like it or not. We must make it. Good things must surely locate us. Poverty will never be mentioned anywhere close to us. That is our mandate. I don't know if you are with me. I want to work with serious people. Next year is going to be a very strong and prophetic year for us. Whatever we declare, it's come to pass in our life. No delay, no dulling moment, my dear. So when you are done putting all these things, use your authority finger. Insert in that water for me. Begin to decree all you want, how you want your next year to be, how the whole thing, your contract, love, good energy, good people. Because you cannot be praying for good luck, you forget good people, because you can have good luck and negative people surrounding you will steal it away or distract you. We don't need people that will distract us next year. So do it for 3 nights. Remember, you are getting this leaf, three times three, making it 9. You are getting 9 leaf of this. You will do it for 3 nights. Do it before next year. Do it before crossing over. And watch out how your life will be. If things begin to work out for you, do not forget me. Come back and testify. Thank you so much. Meet you in my next video.